Here is the dried results. We're gonna get a little close-up for you in the sun. Look at those details. Look at all those lines in this beautiful ring pour. I love the way this one turned out. There is gonna be some shimmer because the custom red that I made has some metallic in it, and I believe this custom Prussian blue here does as well. But I love it. I can't wait to do more of these, and stay tuned for my straight pour cup layering experiment. Hello and welcome. Today I will be working on one of Michael's new Artist Loft gallery wrapped canvases. This is a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and the difference from this canvas versus the old ones is that they added the center bar in the back, which makes it easy to flip the canvas around, especially being a larger size. But for the technique, for the acrylic pouring technique that I'm going to be doing today, is my special color blocking with the black and white. So I'm going to layer that down first on the canvas. Then I'm going to use my metallic colors to layer across the canvas where the black and white meets each other. So you'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll let you enjoy this acrylic painting and talk to you again during the wet result. So I decided to finally use, hold on, let's get that out of there for a bit. So I decided to finally use this rose gold here by Extreme Sheen. So these are all metallic colors besides the white and the black. So that's just titanium white and oxide black. But for the metallics, I use silver by Extreme Sheen, rose gold by Extreme Sheen, and 24 karat gold by Extreme Sheen. I love this composition, although I would have liked to have this third line here, just a little more here in the black, just moved over a little bit more. I didn't realize that as I was layering my metallics before I used my air puffer tool to puff them out. So but I feel like it worked out perfectly. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments if you think the composition is fine just the way it is. Now, I know that I said I was going to do a straight pour experiment after I did my ring pour experiment in my last video, but to be honest, I forgot to layer my cup in advance. So that's why I'm unable to do the straight pour experiment side by side, but I think I'm going to use this same 12 by 24 inch canvas to do the straight pour experiment on one side, on each side of the canvas. So that will be my next video. I'm just holding you guys over with this one, but I'm really happy that I did mix up that rose gold because it was very clumpy and I had to use a lot of floetrol in order to get it as thin and as clump free so that I can use it to pour. So definitely stay tuned for my next video and thank you for watching.